Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Monday, August 15th, 2022. The time is 8:57. I'm going to get rolling right now. I'm looking here at the VIX. The Nasdaq is down. And the VIX is kind of doing nothing. So let's see what we can find here, huh? Okay. Well, we might get something here. See which one fires off first. Oil was going crazy earlier.
Order submitted.
Here we go. 28, 29. Come on, get up there.
Order canceled.
Yes, we go. Up.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Saw some red. So, the NQ was the first. Yeah, oils was kind of lagging. See what the ES is doing. Oh, NQ's pulling back. So is the ES. So is oil. Oh yeah, oil's coming right back down. It went from 87 all the way up
Order
to
filled.
87.90. Back down. Let's see if this can flush out here for us. Oh, come on, eights.
Order canceled.
Oh, yes. Yes. Sevens, oh ones, oh twos, oh threes. I don't want to see any fours.
Order canceled.
I got a bunch of fours. Yeah, I should have held on for one more minute. Yeah, a bunch of fours and fives just flooded through. Took my money and ran. Well, we're up $5,000 and it's only 9:01, so it can't be too bad. I think oil's gonna. Let's see how much oil. Let's see here. Analyzer, there it is. So, Ninja's got this really cool feature here at daily volume. CL's got pretty good That's the daily volume contracts. The ATR, the ES is, yeah, it's about average for summer. 148,000 shares are trading. So oil's pretty active, but
Order filled.
yeah. 302s, come on.
Order canceled.
Now I'm going to hold. I want to see 95s, 92s, 91s.
Order
Yep,
canceled.
done. Okay, everybody. It looked like the NQ was our happy rider today. It is 9:03, so we only did this for a few minutes. Let's see what the strategy performance says. $367, 8,900. So let's see here. Roughly. My trusty calculator. 7 minus 367. That's 8,500 for the day. And that would be 271,000 for the month if you did that every day. So, okay. Well, like I said, it's only a few minutes and we are up. And that is when you say that nice green there means take your money and go. All right. Thanks for watching. I will keep making videos, guys.